Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Thursday, April 6, 2018. All right, what we're doing today is we are transplanting the Salanova lettuce that I had started in the soil blocks. These are the ones I started, all of them I've started in the soil blocks, but I'm starting them in the 3/4 inch, the real small one. The ones you see back behind me here are the ones we started originally, and they are actually, after growing for almost 2 months in the ground, maybe it was the weather, I think it was more of the small soil block, I didn't let them grow big enough. So what I did with this set is I have them in the soil blocks, but I started them in the 3/4 inch, and then I moved them to the bigger soil blocks just to give them enough growth before we put them outside. And they're already almost 2 or 3 times the size as the ones we started back in February. Put them in the ground probably mid to late February, and they've been in the ground for over a month, and they really haven't gone anywhere. But these in the soil blocks are really kicking off. So I already planted one row, and it's a real simple process. All I really do is just use my hand. I guess you could use a shovel, but I just make a little hole, drop it in the ground, pack it down a little bit, surround it, and that's pretty much it. The ground's still pretty wet from a rain we had the other day, so it's I'm still gonna put a little water on top of them just to kind of push them into the ground a little better, but not bad. So we got this kind of set. This is the butter. It's more of like a smooth leaf, and then I'm also going to be planting in the ground. I think they call them the inside leaves. These are all the head lettuces, but the inside leaves are a little curly. So I'm gonna get to that. Thanks for following, guys. Talk to y'all later. Bye.